In this section, we'll talk about controllers. In our previous exercises, we more or less come across controllers. What is a controller? Simply put, a controller is the interface we riggers give to animators. Animators pose the rig by moving, rotating, and scaling these controllers, or by changing the attribute values on the controllers. And that's how they create animation. Now in our rigs, we might have a lot of complex functions and setups, but the final interface we give to the animators must be clean and simple. Let's use a real-world example to help us understand. We've all watched TV. We know the mechanics behind the TV are very complex. But as a user, what do I get? I get a remote control. The remote has some buttons for turning it on, off, changing channels, adjusting volume, etc. We know that the mechanical setup and principles behind each function are very complex. But as a user, I don't care about those complex mechanics. What do I care about? I care about the final result. That is, I press this button and I can turn it on, off, or change the channel. That's all I need. It's the same logic for rigging. If we look at the Steward platform we built earlier, we know that when we rotate this top circle, our platform rotates. And all the connected parts have a great interlocking effect. But for the animator, how we actually connected them, how we set up these functions, like we might remember, we made a lot of aim constraints, made a lot of locators to find positions. The animators don't care about that. What do they care about? In the end, there's a circle. As long as I move this circle, I can make the platform rotate and get this effect of all the parts staying perfectly connected. For the animator, that's enough. So simplifying complex rigging functions into this final operational interface, that is our controller.